Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful, almost 90% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So here is the task. What must a driver do when approaching this sign? Number 1. Slow down and proceed if clear. Number 2. Yield only to pedestrians. Number 3. Come to a full stop and proceed when safe. Number 4. Honk before entering the intersection. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The stop sign requires drivers to come to a complete stop at the marked stop line, crosswalk, or before entering the intersection. After stopping, the driver must yield to any traffic or pedestrians before proceeding safely. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.